Hey, what's up, y'all? We're back as promised. We're here with the homeowner, Mark. He's been being our buddy here this whole time, throughout this whole thing. So we want to show you one of his wife's best friends come over here and just did an amazing transformation with all this decorative pretty stuff. So Mark, we're going to take him right in there and show him, brother. So check it out. Oh, look at how all this came together. So we got the gorgeous bar right over here. I love this ensemble that Miss Lana did. Miss Lana did. Look at this. So Mark, tell me about this picture real quick, brother.
That's her mom.
Who is that?
Linda's mom.
That is Linda's mom, okay? The homeowner, his wife, it's who we did this for. That is her mother. So that is really going to hit home.
She used to have the same little perfume bottles on her.
That is super cool. So look at all the decorations over here. Look at how all that turned out. Got everything just picture perfect. Look at that guy. You super happy?
I'm happy.
It's good. Thumbs up. All right, so let's go get her. She's ready. Oh, Miss Linda. You ready? Come on, girlfriend. Bring it on in. I can't wait.
Oh, yours is.
Check this out. Woo, woo. What a show, girlfriend. What a show.
Oh my God. It is. She would have loved it.
Yeah.
Oh my word.
Hey, you remember, we told you. We promised you a beautiful counter.
It's gorgeous. I mean, it's cool. Oh my gosh. Look at this.
We were literally blown away.
Oh my gosh.
Girl, you know you're going to go to a 5-star hotel and run right back to your bathroom. No doubt.
It is. I mean, I'm speechless. I mean, it's better than I thought it was going to be. Well, I broke too long. That's beautiful.
So that is Lana's fabulous. Come on in. Where you at, Lana? Come on in here, girlfriend. You got to take some credit where credit's due. Get on in there.
It's beautiful. It is nothing like I thought it was going to be. I mean, I'm speechless.
This-
Oh, man, it is absolutely perfect.
That is so awesome to hear.
That's so cute.
Hey, don't forget, check it.
Oh, wow.
Hey, and so you can see the best part.
What?
That never gets old, just so you know. Never gets old.
It is. You did a fantastic job.
I tell you, yeah, it was definitely one for the books.
I love this floor too. Oh my God. You were right. So cute. Y'all did honestly did wonderful musical picker. I am.
I told you we was gonna get her to cry. I knew it. Look, even her husband said she cries at commercials. Don't lie, Mark. You know you said that.
I picked out the bowls and stuff, but I mean, I thought they were going to be really small, but they're perfect. Everything's great. This is gorgeous.
Hey, Chief, you want to take over?
This is gorgeous.
We owe your wife a hug.
Oh.
There we go. Come on in here, Tom. Come on in here.
Thanks, guys. Oh, I love it. I love it. You're awesome.
Hey,
It
so
didn't look like the same at all. Nothing.
So the viewers know, very important. Have you seen this at all?
No. Only thing I saw was just you had the wood
Yeah.
here. And I did see the tile downstairs in the garage, so.
So she's seen some of the tile we had. She's seen the, the wood framework when we had that right out the gate. But other than that, she has made herself stay strong and stay out of here. She's had all this help from her family, from her husband. I mean, we've had a ball with this man. Mark, you're one in a million, brother. Anything in the world, we would do for you any day, anytime. Believe that. And me, Tom, Micah, we just had a blast. This has just been next level.
It is.
So we knew it. We knew she was going to have a couple tears. We were hoping to hit it for home. So just overall, just very, very pleased how this turned out. These are some great folks, great people, and so deserving. So deserving. I want to give a big shout out to Teresa Sherritt if she's watching this. She helps us with a ton of stuff, designer stuff, bringing stuff together. She was a big part in this entire scheme. So Teresa, you know we love you. We did not forget about you. Special thanks to that girl right there. Matter of fact, that's the next vanity top we got coming up for free yet again.
So this goes to.
So that right there, leave that on.
Okay.
That is for your lights in here.
They flash.
Yep, that's because now they have power to them. So
Oh, okay. You can make them.
we'll make them come right back on.
Okay.
Big.
Alright.
Yeah, we are just, okay. I got a party going on right now.
It is.
There we
Things
go.
look like the same bathroom.
Let's settle all this down a little bit. Look, you got all kinds of, when your husband makes you mad, you got fire red, got the orange, yellow, I mean, you name it, the lime green, whatever your mood, whatever your passion, whatever your choice. We love that ice blue, so we just kind of been leaving them on that. But, a gazillion and one things, you can change that too. Believe it or not, when the lights go off, I mean, just having these on, it is just really cool and soothing. This white, we really weren't sure if it was gonna light up with the lights on, kind of like a mood light. Get up in the middle of the night, you don't want that bright light hitting you. Oh, it's just perfect for that. So I told you, this top, 1 in a million. 1 in a million.
How do I clean it? I mean.
We'll get into that.
Okay.
I'll tell you all
I
about
don't want to
that.
ruin it. I don't
Oh,
want to drop
not
some
at
on
all.
it.
This is completely a food safe, completely waterproof oil that's on here. The whole
okay.
9 yards, girl. We went all
Can't
out.
tell.
And look, I want to thank Teresa Sherritt on that. This was her design. We picked out the maple. She was all about that flat, bright white, non-translucent, cannot see through it whatsoever. We did not want to bring any type of lights, anything like that into here. We wanted to keep that elegance rolling.
Okay.
And Lana did a beautiful job with this
Yes,
decoration
yes.
stuff. She was out till 11 o'clock at night.
I know.
Last night, pulling all this stuff together. So it's just been crazy. We've had a great time in here. And just so the public knows, we're getting ready to get out of this one and go into our other bathroom.
Oh, you did good with this. The face. Look at the floor.
So this is life proof. This is exactly what I was telling you about. You
I
can't
really like it.
hurt this. You can't tear this up. Whatever hits this floor, you are gold. The underside of this is just like a tire on your vehicle.
Okay.
It's one of the baddest things on the planet. So I tell you, we have done a boatload of bathrooms and kitchens in our time, and this is by far,
Now you're the designer.
yeah, this is by far the best one that we've ever been a part of. You know, not every one for us is a home run. We
Yeah.
don't get to go in and we don't have this much space to work with. You know, a lot of showers we do are just typical 8x5. Not that they don't look gorgeous too, but this one was really cool because it gave us the chance to bring that artistry out. We just don't get that every day, so we can't thank y'all enough. Chief, I love you, big guy. We're gonna be seeing you for another couple of weeks. We'll be down there fishing before it's all said and done, Miss
I
Linda.
guarantee it. Guarantee it.
Hey, so Linda, quick question. Would you refer us?
Yes. Absolutely. I'm like sitting there looking at everything. Absolutely.
She's caught up in the moment, man. She ain't worried about this. That's
I'm
awesome.
still in awe of how y'all did this. It's really beautiful.
Look, she just went to Nashville, had a little weekend getaway, if you will, with the girlfriends, and then gets to come back home to this. So this was really super cool, super special. Can't say enough about it. But with that being said, we're going to go ahead and cut this one off. Till the next one, thanks everybody for tuning in. We'll see y'all back real soon.